Good morning, amazing road runners. I'm Mr. Greenberg, and it is Friday, September 11th. Please pause for a moment of silence. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
In Rolling Ridge News, please remember, you can come pick up meals between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Today's weather is supposed to be occasional showers, occasional sunshine, high of 79, little warm, 64, perfect degrees. Today is Fun Friday. Got a joke for you. Knock, knock. Orange. Aren't you glad that I won't tell any more jokes today? Since it's Fun Friday, I'd like to teach you something that you probably always wanted to know. You always hear people say on Friday, TGIF. What does that mean? Terrific giggles. It's Friday. The question of the day comes from Phoebe in Mr. Coulter's class. She wants to know, what is my favorite dessert? Tacos. I don't eat sugar. It makes me heavy. We're going to end our news broadcast today with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, bully free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. Have a great day and an awesome weekend.